Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your health insurance with Anthem, detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your health insurance with Anthem, start by visiting the official Anthem website. Navigate to the login section located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, click on the register button to create one. Once logged in, go to the My Health tab. Select Manage My Coverage from the drop-down menu. Look for the option that says Upgrade My Plan or similar. This section will provide information about your current plan and available upgrade options. Review the upgrade plans displayed on the screen. Make sure to compare the benefits, premiums, and out-of-pocket costs. Once you identify the plan you wish to upgrade to, click on the Select button. You may be prompted to provide additional information to proceed. Fill out any required fields and review your information carefully. After confirming your details, proceed to the Payment section. Enter your payment information as needed to finalize the upgrade. Review your selection and payment details one last time. Click on the Submit button to complete your upgrade process. A confirmation email will be sent to you shortly after the upgrade is processed. Check your email to ensure that you receive this confirmation. You can also return to your account on the website to view your updated plan details. If you have further questions or need assistance, consider contacting Anthem's customer support. You can reach them via phone or live chat available on the website. Keep your new health benefits card handy once you receive it in the mail. Make sure to schedule a follow-up appointment with your healthcare provider to ensure your new coverage is in effect. Stay informed about any changes to your plan and benefits throughout the year. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.